Hi students, how are you? Hope you all are fine and watching our videos regularly. In our last class we completed Unit 1 ABC readings. Unit 1 A reading The Tattered Blanket, B reading My Mother, and the C reading A Letter to a Friend. Okay, we have completed 3 lessons. If you see the grammar part after the A reading, that is the tattered blanket, there is a topic called noun phrase. Okay, there is a topic called noun phrase and the grammar is given there. Let us discuss today noun phrase. Okay, before going to noun, we have to know the definitions of a noun and a phrase. We know noun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word. A noun is a naming word. It can name anything: persons, places, things, animals, plants, etc. Whatever the things or the people, the places, everything that has name, it comes under noun. So noun is a naming word. For example, Ram, okay, Gopi, Delhi, tiger, lion, etc. Then we have to know what is a phrase. Okay, what is a phrase? Okay, what is a phrase actually? A phrase is a group of words. A phrase is a group of words with incomplete meaning. Incomplete meaning or sense. A phrase is a group of words with incomplete meaning. Any two or more than words can be a phrase, yet it is a part of a sentence. In a sentence. A phrase is a group of words with incomplete meaning in a sentence. For example, if you see here, birds fly in the air. See, if you just look underline part, fly in the air. Okay, it does have some meaning, but the meaning is incomplete. Okay, fly in the air. Okay, fly in the air. Okay, but who has to fly? Okay, so this meaning is there for this group of words. There is a meaning, but the meaning is incomplete, and yet it is a part of a sentence. It is called a phrase. Okay, a phrase is a group of words with a complete meaning, with incomplete meaning in a sentence. The child seems crying. See here, seems crying. It is also a group of words in a sentence, but it does not have complete meaning, full meaning. He seems crying. Who seems crying? Okay, such group of words are called as phrase. See, if a noun is a naming word and a phrase is a group of words in a sentence without complete meaning in other words. Okay, so this is the definition for phrase and noun. Now let us come to noun phrase. After knowing this noun and phrase, what is a noun phrase? Okay, what is a noun phrase? A noun phrase is a noun phrase is a group of words that adds extra information about the defined noun. The noun whom we are talking about. Okay, we can talk directly. For example, if you look here, she saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man. See here, she saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man. I bought a red umbrella. A new red umbrella. See, in the first sentence, if you look at the underlined words, here she is talking about this man in this sentence. Okay, so the subject is talking about this person, man. Okay, she can directly address the man. She saw a man, we can directly say she saw a man. We can directly tell, but we are adding extra information. Okay, we are adding extra information about this man. Okay, which means this all information, all these adjectives are defining this person. This person is bald, fat, middle-aged man. Okay, so here this is called a noun phrase in this sentence. This is called a noun phrase because it is telling this information, all these phrases telling about this man. Man is a noun. Okay, so that's why it is called as a noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that adds extra information about the defined noun or about the spoken noun. Let us look into the second sentence. I bought a new red umbrella. See here, if you look at in the second sentence, I bought an umbrella. We can say I bought an umbrella, we can say, and there is nothing wrong in it. But when we say a new red umbrella, a new red, what kind of umbrella? Okay, this a new red is adding more or extra information about umbrella. Yes, no? We can say no. I bought an umbrella. Directly we can say there is no, it is bluntly saying. But when we add what kind of umbrella I bought, what color, is it brand new or old? This is the additional information we are giving about the noun umbrella. That's why all these are called as a noun phrase. My father lives in a big stone built house. Okay, see here in this sentence, a big stone built. Okay. In this third sentence, if you see, my father lives in a big stone built house. Okay, see here, we can directly say, my father lives in a house. It is okay. But here, if we want to tell what kind of house is it, if we want to tell what kind of umbrella it is, if you want to tell what kind of person he is, we use additional information about the noun, and that additional information is called as noun phrase, or that additional information along with the noun is called as a noun phrase. See here, my father lives in a big stone built house. What kind of house is here? It is saying that here it is a big stone built house. Okay, my father lives in a house which is a big stone built one. Okay, so students, noun phrase is a group of words that adds extra information about the nouns, about the given nouns. Okay, for example, we saw, and there are also order for this. Okay, for example, if you want to write a noun phrase, we have to follow order. First, we have to use an article, then adjective, then adjective. If one more adjective is adjective, finally we use noun. This is the order of usage of adjectives or noun phrase, uses of noun phrase. How we have to use? First we have to use article here. See here, a noun, a. Next adjective, a bald. Next also adjective, fat. Next also adjective, middle-aged. Finally we have to write a noun. Same way here, article, adjective, adjective and noun. Here also article, adjective, adjective and noun. This is the order we have to follow to make a noun phrase. Understand, students? So in this way we write noun phrases. A noun phrase is a group of words that adds extra information about the defined noun. She saw a bald, fat, middle-aged man. I bought a new red umbrella. My father lives in a big stone built house. Here we can directly tell about the nouns, but here additional information about the given nouns is called as a noun phrase. So students, write as many as possible noun phrases for better understanding. Practice it. Okay, practice thoroughly. Write number of sentences and practice. If you have doubt, call me or WhatsApp me. Okay, there is something given about noun phrase in the textbook of 8th class. Okay, you follow that and fill those blanks. Okay, students, watch this video repeatedly for better understanding. Thank you.